So some students have asked me about what kind of calculator they could use. So I'm going to introduce you to the Desmos scientific calculator first. All right. So the thing I love about Desmos is that you can log in with your Google account. Give access to your Google email. You can let Desmos know if you're a student or an educator. I pick educator. But the thing I like about Desmos is how it has the pretty print. So I'm just going to do something easy. 1 plus 2 equals 3. But let's say I did 3 minus 4. Do you see how over here it already gives you the answer without hitting enter? Okay. So let's say we were doing something with the order of operations. So let's say 2 squared parentheses 5 minus 9 minus 3 to the third power. Do you see how it gives you your answer? And it's just so easy to look at, fun to use. And let's say we get something like 1 divided by 2 and it ends up being a decimal. Then all you have to do, if you want the fraction back, is to click that. Let's do something that is not as easy to see, when you want to, let's say we do 8 divided by 12 and we get that decimal. But if we want the fraction back, it'll give it to you in the simplest form. Okay? So those are just a few things that this calculator does. It is absolutely amazing. And then you have a choice of other types of calculators. So I'll do another one about the graphing calculator, but for now, just use this as your calculator and yeah, should be fun. As always, thank you for watching. See you next time.